Hey guys, today I'm here with the Barricade aluminum inner fender guards fitting all 2007 to 2018 JK Wranglers. This is going to be a great option for you guys out there looking for some more durable protection to your inner wheel well while you're out on the trail and debris and rocks are kicking up. These are also going to do a great job at heat extraction up front to keep your engine cooler over a longer period of time, and not to mention these are going to give you a finished off-road look. At the moment, these are going to be your most affordable option at roughly $190 for just the front or just the rear, and that price will double if you're looking for a full kit. These will be lower priced considering these are a more basic option compared to the other inner fender guards on the page that are a little bit higher priced. However, these still are going to be very durable and have a very long lifespan. Install is going to be a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter because there will be drilling and cutting involved. However, you can get this done in your driveway in about 2 to 3 hours. So speaking of the install, let's jump into that now. The tools that we used for this install were an impact wrench, safety glasses, a trim removal tool, a 10mm wrench, a center punch, a 3/8 inch drill bit, a 1/8 inch drill bit, a Phillips bit, the provided Allen key, a 5/32 Allen key, a 10mm deep socket, and a drill. So in order to install our new inner fender liner, we have to remove the stock one. It's going to be a couple of pop clips, which you can use a trim removal tool to remove those, and a couple of 10mm bolts. So before you remove your inner fender liner, if you have a marker light like we do hooked up to it, you can disconnect that now. So like I mentioned before, guys, this is going to be a little bit smaller in size than our factory liner. However, it will be more durable in its construction. This is made of 1/16 inch aluminum with a black powder coat finish, so it's going to resist any rust or corrosion while you're out on the trail, and if any rocks kick up, this will be able to take a hit and protect your engine bay. So an added feature that you're getting out of the Barricade inner fender liner over the stock is this vent up at the front. JKs are notorious for heat soak, and this is going to relieve a lot of that hot air out of the engine bay, so your Jeep is going to stay cooler on the trail or even while you're just driving around in the street. Not to mention, the vent and the inner fender liner will give you that off-road look that you might be looking to accomplish. So enough about the stock inner fender liner, let's bolt up our new one. So before we put on our new inner fender liner, we need to set up some clips and mounting brackets for 2 of our mounting locations. The first mounting location will be right here. We have to install a clip. You can just push that on. So in order to install that, we need to remove the 10mm bolt. Now I would loosely install this so we can line everything up at the end. So to give you guys a better visual, we took off the fender so you can see all of the mounting locations and how these bolt in. So now we can loosely install our inner fender liner so we can mark and drill holes. You can use the provided hardware to attach the top of the fender liner to 2 top mounting locations. So after all of the bolts are attached, we want to tighten them all down with a 5/32 Allen key or the provided Allen key so we can get an accurate location on where we want to drill our holes. Now we can mark these two at our location so we can drill our holes. So in order to drill, we will have to take off the inner fender liner. So now we can mark the center of our hole with our center punch. There it goes. So now we can take a 1/8 inch drill bit and drill a pilot hole. So now we can take a 3/8 inch drill bit and drill our final hole. So now that our holes are drilled, we will have to trim this outer lip in order to get our clip nut on. So you can grab a cutoff wheel and some safety glasses. After everything is trimmed, we can install our clips. Because this is tight, I'm just going to give it a little help with a rubber mallet. And we can position it over the hole. So now we can install our inner fender liner. So because this quarter panel is in the way, you will be hitting these at a little bit of an angle, so you will need the provided Allen key. after the front is finished, we can remove our rear inner fender liner. So now that our old liner is out, we can line up our new one inside the wheel well so we can mark and drill holes. So in order to mark our holes, we need to make sure that this is in position, so we can take our Allen head bolts and insert those in the 2 outer bottom holes. Now you can tighten them down into place with a 10mm socket and a 5/32 Allen key or the provided Allen key. So after we have those 2 bolts holding up our inner fender liner, we can take our center punch and punch to where we are drilling our holes. So after we center punch the 3 holes up top, we're ready to drill. If you notice, I did not center punch this bottom hole. On the driver's side, we're not going to be installing that self-tapping screw because the filler neck to the gas tank is on the other side of this. So we're going to leave that alone, and we can go ahead and install that screw on the other side, but the 5 other bolts should be able to hold the inner fender liner up just fine. So now we're ready to drill a pilot hole. I have a 1/8 inch drill bit. So now we can tighten down our self-tapping screws. So that wraps it up for my review and install on the Barricade aluminum inner fender guard fitting all 2007 to 2018 JK Wranglers. For more videos like this, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.